What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you why you should back up your Jersey Club tracks or music in general. A lot of SoundCloud users, in particular YouTube musicians, tend to only upload on one place, and that be those platforms. Nothing wrong with that, but there comes times when YouTube or SoundCloud may out of nowhere take down your track for random amounts of reasons, or they mute it for some reason. Now, there's plenty of people that I know personally that has multiple accounts shut down, tracks removed. So you should always put your track to multiple places, and I have a video for that, and I'll put that in the description below so you can see it. The first place where you can back it up is a cloud-based storage. So the first website I have here is Dropbox. I think everyone knows what Dropbox is, but it's a free and paid cloud storage, and they have multiple plans that you can choose from. The Plus, Family, Professional, Standard, and Advanced. Yeah, for Plus you get 2 terabytes, Family 2 terabytes, but Professional 3 terabytes, Standard, Business 5 terabytes, and Advanced as much as you need. And I think depending on who you are and what you need, you may need more or less. Dropbox is good. I'm not sponsored by any of them yet, but Dropbox is good. Mega's another good alternative. Mega, you get 50 gigabytes for free as soon as you join, so you can upload your tracks and just have them backed up. They also have a pricing as well. So for $6 a month, you get 400 gigabytes, $12 2 terabytes, 24 8 terabytes, and 36. And for the business, you only get 15. Mega is another good alternative. Now Google Drive is another good alternative. If you have a Gmail, you already have that. It's another alternative. Now if you don't feel comfortable using cloud-based storage, you could also use local by using an external hard drive. And we have the Glyph or the BlackBox Plus 2 terabytes. That's $150, but that's all you get to pay once and have the rest of the storage. The build on this is pretty sturdy, but yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.